Hey, my name is Aaron with 3D Sellers. Let's go over how we can block those pesky eBay buyers that keep costing our businesses time and money. So first, we'll go on over to eBay, and in the top left corner, let's go to our account settings. And then in the selling section at the very bottom, click Selling Preferences. And on the next page, find the Your Buyers section. And next to Blocked Buyers List, click Edit. And now the first link that you'll find is your blocked buyers list. You can add or remove buyers from this list by username or by email. And the second link that you'll find is your exemption list. This will allow buyers to still purchase items from you even if they don't meet your buyer requirements. While these do come in handy from blocking certain buyers that will cost your business time and money, some of them are just having a bad week. And if you've talked to them personally via eBay messages, you can put them on this list and still allow them to purchase from you. And this one is pretty handy. If blocked buyers are sending you messages and costing you time in replies, you can enable this, and all the buyers on your blocked buyers list will not be able to send you eBay messages or contact you at all. And don't forget, if you're using a third-party eBay service to send automated messages, then you may want to check if they have a blocked buyers list there as well. For example, Auto Messages with 3D Sellers lets you provide automated customer service, send digital goods, reply to negative feedback quickly, things of that nature. But some buyers you don't want to send messages for. So there are blocked buyers settings in here and blocked buyers lists where you can add your bad users here as well. So all in all, this is how we block buyers and control which buyers receive our automated messages on eBay with block lists. Thanks for watching and have a great day.